Welcome to CodeMine. Carry here. So in this topic we will talk about what is routing, right? So we have installed Laravel 8 and those who guys are not aware of installation, please go to the previous video, right? We have created the playlist of Laravel 8, right? So you guys can see the how we can install Laravel 8 into our system, right? So just we need to execute a simple command, right? So we have just started with the new course of Laravel 8 tutorials, right? So time to time we are coming up with the tutorials, right? So I just want you guys to just subscribe our channel. Down the video we have a red button, click on that and subscribe our channel, right? So let's start with the topic. So the topic for this video is what is routing, right? So if I talk about routing is basically how the URL or how the request is mapped into your Laravel application, right? For example, let's try to understand it using a graphical way. For example, there is a browser, right? We have a browser send a request, right? From browser we send a URL, right? For example, URL could be like we request a URL, right? Like it could be for contact us, it could be a different URL. For about us, it could be a different URL, right? So a particular page we have a different URL, right? So we have a URL kind of thing, right? HTTPS, then website.com, then about us. That's this kind of information, right? So this will send a request like this, and this request, now to handle this request is known as a routing, right? Here we have a routing files in Laravel, right? Or you guys can say a routing structure or routing mechanism in Laravel, right? Basically these are the files in which we tell what will happen when a user request from https then about us page, right? Then we have done here mapping, right? Mapping of URL, correct? URL means, which means on which URL, which section or controller or view would be return back to the request, right? So that is all comes under routing basically. So we can, if we want to break it, we can do in this way. This will map URL, which URL or view it would return, it would execute, right? Execute, and then it return back response, right? Response to the request, right? For example, if it's a HTTP request, right, coming from a browser, then we will return here HTML, or if it's a API request, we can send a JSON data. So it depends upon us. So basic flow is, first of all, in browser we will type something like, we type about us, then we it will first of all goes into the routing mechanism, right? Then the routing will check, okay, about us we need to load now this URL, right? Then it will check that URL and it will load that URL, right? I'm sorry, I'm wrong here. It will not load that URL. Based upon that URL, it will load that controller or view, right? Then that controller and view would be executed, right? And then the response will be returned back to the browser, right? Clear? So this is the overall flow of the routing. So now we will try to run our project, right? So I will go into my folder, then I have pizza. So what is the command? php artisan sir. So we will see whether it's working or not. Yeah, it's working properly. So I will copy this. So just copy this data and go into the browser, and here I will put there, and you guys can see this. Each and every request in the Laravel has been handled by the routing, right? So we will go into the now Laravel directory, the Laravel directory, and what is our Laravel directory? That is pizza. In pizza we have a routes, right? In routes we have a web. For different type of routing we have a different file, right? For if I am opening or if I want to map a request which is coming from a web page, then I will do that into my web application, right? So how can I do that? You guys can see already a mapping has been done for the welcome page, right? Slash means the default request. For example, we put 127.0, right? So this is default slash request, right? So here we are handling by default, this request has been handled by the Laravel, right? So what is happening? If route get slash means blank, then we will call this function, right? This callback function will be executed, and we will load a view. View is a function which will load a welcome.blade.php. Now how we can find that view? View is a simple HTML file where we go a HTML in a PHP file. We can go into the resources, then we have a view directory. In the views we have a welcome blade.php, right? So this is what is routing, by default routing happening here, right? So let's start with the routing of our own self, right? So we will try to create another routing, right? So how can we do that? Let's first of all create a page. So I am going here, I am saving it as a you guys can give me about us dot blade dot php, correct? So I am saving it here. So just I will give here HTML, and HTML page I will give the title about us, right? So this is just simple HTML I am writing here, so that we can have a understanding that how us page, right? So we can write here a paragraph, right? Here we write welcome to CodeMine, carry here. This is open platform for technology lovers. Please let us know if you want any tutorials on technology. Will provide for you guys, right? So this is what we have. So this is now my view is ready, right? This is a simple HTML file I have created, and I have saved it in. You guys can see the path into my title bar. It's a resources slash views slash about us dot blade dot php. So let's create another route now. So I will go into my web.php of routes directory, right? So here I will create now another route. I will route is a class, right? And get is a static method, right? Here I will write down now in single quote that URL, right? That thing which is will come after the 8000, right? After that IP and my port, that is about us, right? Or you guys can put hyphen this, or you guys can put capital letter, right? But my suggestion you guys is to just put small letter here, right? So let's start with that. So this is what we have here. Now we need to keep in mind that in view function we just need to write down the only name, right? About us.blade.php, right, is the complete file name. We will only give here the about us, that's it, right? So we will try this URL now, that whether it will work or not. So I am here slash, so this is, so you guys can see now routing is working perfectly. About us page, welcome to Codemine, carry here, this is open platform for technology lovers. Please let us know if you want any tutorial on technology, please provide, we will provide for you, right? So this is what is I have mapped to one URL, right? And for example, I now want to come back here. So you guys can see now my default route is executed. Which route? This one. This one has been executed, and whenever I type this thing about us, right, this way, then my this route will happen. Now how it is happening, you guys can see here. Whenever I put about us, right, slash about us, it will segregate the URL based upon the slash, right? Then it will pick up the route, right? It will pick up that URL, right? Then in the web.php we have used this route facets, right? This is my class which I am using for the routing. This is in the facets directory, right? You guys can follow this path, and we are simply using get method, right? Right now we are only using get method of the route class, which is a static method. Then on slash we are just loading welcome view, right? Welcome.blade.php, simple. The same way what we have done, we are used route class and calling the static function of get method, we passed our, right, we just statically mentioned about us in that, right? So it means whenever the about us request comes from the browser, it will mapped with the routing, right? And this function will execute, and we are now returning this about us view now. So that is the reason we are getting here now about us page, and that is our HTML. So this is how we are handling each and everything, right? So my suggestion, you guys, if you guys want to understand Laravel fully, routing is the one of the very beginner and very important topic, right? If you guys have any query, question, or you guys are facing any problem to set up your Laravel setup, right, please let us know. You guys can comment into the comment box or into the about section. We have an email ID there. You guys can send us an email, right, with your screenshots or your code, so we can look on that and we can revert back you with the solution. So I just want to tell you guys, please do subscribe our channel. Down the video there is a red button, subscribe, click on that and turn on the notification, so that the all video which we are uploading soon, which you will get the notification, right? So please do subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a very good day.